Okay, this is version, no, not version. This is number 2. Okay, so I'm out and about again, taking my own advice to get off the seat and out amongst it, get some fresh air, look at the world, and I will do that as I extend this trip, this journey. But before that, I'm going to have a little chat to you about why I think you don't know enough and why I think I can help you learn a lot and do a lot. So let me start by just giving you a really quick background. For those of you who don't know me, I've got 35 plus years of experience working in media, e-learning, web development, marketing, and all kinds of stuff in between. I've done community work. I'm currently doing some NDIS work, which gets me out in the community and makes me feel like I'm of service, which is one thing that's really important to me in my life. And I've spent the last year tinkering day and night with AI. And that's a broad term. I'm talking generative AI, I'm talking building apps, I'm talking learning, advanced prompting, I'm talking trying out hundreds and hundreds of different software projects, hundreds and hundreds of different actual final software releases. And I currently own over 100 lifetime deals with some really cool software that's still growing and in development. So I think I'm well qualified to assist you to learn what the real potential is of AI. And I'm talking well beyond ChatGPT, well beyond your average large language model. And one thing that I pride myself on is being on the leading edge, learning what's available and testing it out so that I can provide that to you. And I can do all the grunt work and tell you what is great. And forget about what's not great, focus on what's great. So continuing on from yesterday, I'm still, a tad bit concerned about the uptake of AI in Australia and people's real understanding of the possibilities. And I'm all about possibilities, imagination, potential, and I want to help you get over the line with the skills for the future. So I've created a few things now with my new focus on training and coaching, mostly training, but if you want to do one-on-one, I'm there for you. But training groups of people and giving them access, free access, something you won't find elsewhere, free access to an incredible bunch of chatbot building tools that you can access and utilize to build chatbots for yourself, your school, your workplace, your church, your community, or just gift it to someone. Give someone a chatbot that needs it. Maybe you want to make a chatbot for your old neighbor so they can chit-chat when they're lonely. Maybe you want to build something for your church that lets people know what your church is about. Maybe you want to go even further and learn how to do voice chatbots. These are, chatbots that can respond with generative AI, conversational AI, and these chatbots can be activated via web, or you can call in on a phone number, a local phone number here in Australia, and have a voice chat with any kind of subject that you want. I've built ones for coaching, I've built ones for businesses like plumbers, and I can teach you how to do that. I can teach you how to do that in a matter of hours. And then you can tinker away and get excited and take it on your own journey and learn how to get the skills for the future by doing, by building. Not intellectualizing, not reading, building, doing, making, tinkering, failing, being successful, giving stuff away, showing others, sharing your knowledge, getting other people excited. Because it's all about the potential. Like I said in my previous video, we as a nation need to embrace this technology and become even more productive. And if you're the one that's, this is a cliche, but it's a really popular one. If you're the one who's utilizing AI in an advanced way, you're the person least or last to leave the building when everyone's getting laid off in the future, when AI comes for jobs. So be the one who knows how to look out for all the possibilities and, be the one that understands your particular niche or your industry or your role and how AI will impact it, so that you're the one that they keep employed. And further to that, maybe you don't want to work with anyone anymore. Maybe you want to do your own thing, and that's great. So the future is bright. Do your own thing. Build something around your idea or build something around your passion and make that happen with AI. Because the skills you don't have, AI can supplement for you. So for example, maybe you're crap at marketing, maybe your writing skills aren't great, maybe you don't have the energy to post every day on social media. I'm building something now that will do that for me automatically, because I'm one of those people. I'm not super fan of social media every day. I did it for years as a social media person for Telstra and looking after blogs for people. And it is quite exhausting. I prefer doing other stuff. So you can use AI to generate content, post on your behalf. So, you can focus on building your product, making things better. There's so many different things you can do. So here's my offer to you. I'm setting up a challenge. It's twofold. One, come and learn with me and get the skills for the future, and learn by building, by doing, not just by intellectualizing and reading and researching and all that stuff. Build actual projects. And the second part of that is I'd like you to consider how you can utilize these new skills to better yourself and give to your community. There's a lot of community out there that needs support, organizations, people. So that's my challenge to you. So I'm doing a variety of different ways that you can engage with me. I'm doing public courses, or trainings, I should say, where you can just, book a seat and do training with me. Or you can find a group. Go and find 3 friends or 7 friends. I'm doing groups of 4 or 8. And get those friends or your colleagues and get them all together and do this hands-on real-world training with me. And then do some really amazing, cool stuff afterwards. And build your confidence. Know that you are aware of what's going on, what's coming. Because believe me, it is coming. And it's going to be a shock to a lot of people, what's coming. And don't forget, the robots are coming too next year. They're already out there, and they're about $16,000 a piece, some of them. A humanoid robot that you can buy for 16 grand. And it can hook up to advanced generative AI models like OpenAI and Claude and Cohere. And it can do, oh my gosh, amazing tasks around the house or in your office. So be sure that a lot of you are going to be displaced. So now's the time, okay? So take up my challenge. I'm calling it the Skills for the Future AI Impact Challenge. So it's a twofer. You can't get any better. You get training, you get real world experience, and you get to do something for your community or your workplace or your school group or whatever it is. Build something. That's where it happens, by actually building. And then on top of that, I'm giving you access to a chatbot builder program that allows you to build whatever you want, of course, as long as it's legal, whatever you want, and showcase it to the world. And that's going to help you, no doubt. So take up my offer. jump on learn.selfautomation.com.au and let's get going. Thanks for listening.